Turkish, one word but 9 pieces. Watch me. Umutlandırdıklarımızdan mısınız? And question mark. It's just fit. Okay, this is a sentence. What does it mean? Are you from the ones that we gave hope? Something like that. Do you want to see the suffixes? Okay, first I will show it to you like this. Umut. Umut is the root. What does it mean? It means hope. The base noun, everything starts here, okay? And the next suffix is lan. Umutlan. This was a noun, okay? And this makes this noun into a verb, umutlanmak. Let's write it separately. If you look at a dictionary, you will see umutlanmak. In the dictionary, you will see this ending. To add a suffix, you have to erase it, okay? So you can add a suffix. And this is how we show it, umutlanmak. To become hopeful. This turns the noun into a verb, okay? And next, what we have, umutlandır. Umutlandır. This makes it a causative, okay? Causative, umutlandır. This means make someone, hopeful. Umutlandır. This means umutlandırmak, to make someone hopeful. A noun, a verb, and now this is the causative. And next, we have dık here. Dık. This is the participle, okay? Those whom. It means those whom, or that, or which. Those type of things. It depends on the structure. It can mean that, which, whom, okay? Those type of things. So, next, what do we have? We have lar. And it is the plurals, okay, lar. Or, if we had a different vowel system, it would be lash, okay? Lar or lash. Here we have lash. So, it became plural. So, what we have here, umut, hope, umutlan, to become hopeful, umutlandır, to make someone hopeful, umutlandırdık, that we make someone hopeful, okay? More than one. This can be two person or more than two as well. So, we have umuz here. This means either by us, this is a possessive, okay? Possessive. It can be by us or we. So, we, that, and we will go back from here to the beginning. So, let's see what is next. Done. Watch out my noun cases video and you will see that this is one of the noun cases. This is the ablative case, okay? It means ablative case, from the noun cases, ablative case. This means either from or among, okay? And we have m here. This is the question tag. I also have a question tag video. You can also watch that one. M. We are asking a question, okay? This is a question participle. It's like are blah blah blah. This makes a question. And the sınız. This is are you, sınız. This is the copula, okay? The second plural copula. So either it can be a polite you or a plural you. So, are you from one of those, okay? One of those that we gave hope. It means that. Let's write it. Are you among those, I would translate it like this. Among those whom we either made hopeful or whom we gave hope. Although this one is a more literal translation. Are you among those whom we made hopeful? It's just two pieces in Turkish. This is pure Turkish. I will see you guys later.